Hi again. I'm Gwen Polakowski, and this is Getting Comfortable Using LinkedIn, and this is episode 6. Thanks for joining me again. In this segment, let's talk about groups, because this is a really great way to interact on LinkedIn. Now, people join groups with this hope because they want to interact and they want to participate, but groups can often be kind of disappointing, often because people are really shy or not assertive or not comfortable, adding to the conversation. So often no one says anything except for one moderator who adds things once a week or twice a week. I'm going to give you a little bit of advice about groups, which is the same as what I've been saying all along, and that is just be your individual self and stay positive, right? People will occasionally say something and, like what they say if you feel okay about that, or comment if you want to build on their idea. Those two things are really supportive acts, and what you say can be really supportive as well. And that will help to get and keep conversation going in a group, and that will help you to build your network and your contacts on LinkedIn. Now, if someone writes something in the group, you have to know that it might have been really hard for them to write whatever they wrote, and they might feel a little bit uncertain about it. So, take an extra step to be a bit kind to that person. We're all learning, particularly many of us are still learning about LinkedIn, so, don't be too hard on them, but at the same time, you may want to offer like a little bit of helpful advice. Like, oh, that comment was maybe a little harsh, or ouch, or something like that, just to let them know maybe if they've been a bit too aggressive or a little bit more assertive than what you think everyone in the group is used to. I think even though we all feel nervous talking with people we don't know on LinkedIn, that if we stay positive and supportive, that we're going to have good conversations. Now, with this goal in mind, I have started a LinkedIn group that is just for the purpose of practicing. So you can find this group on LinkedIn. It is called Practice Group for Getting Comfortable Using LinkedIn. So what I want you to do is to join this group. So first of all, you have to search it. I'll show you how over in the side. You just type in the name, Practice Group for Getting Comfortable Using LinkedIn. Type that in, click Groups right underneath. You'll see the name of the group. You'll hopefully see my Highlight Communication logo just beside it. You know it's the right one. So click on it, and there will be a button that says Request to Join. So click that. I will accept you into the group, and then start practicing. So this is a good opportunity to agree and disagree and interact and participate on LinkedIn. I'll post things that are regular that you can like or disagree with or comment on or share or whatever. This is a place for you to practice. So give it a try. I look forward to seeing you in the practice group for Getting Comfortable Using LinkedIn. That's it for this episode. I will see you in the next one.